Promotional free trials offered to customers leaving competitors. Follow these step-by-step instructions to claim switching incentives. Step 1. Research service providers in your category of interest who actively compete for customers by offering switching bonuses and extended free trials to users moving from competitor platforms. Step 2. Visit websites of potential new providers and look for Switch to Us or Transfer Your Service landing pages that specifically target customers considering changing providers. Step 3. Review switching incentives carefully, which often include extended free trials, discounted initial months, waived setup fees, or free premium features for switchers. Step 4. Gather documentation of your current service subscription, such as recent billing statements or account screenshots, as some switching offers require proof of your existing competitor subscription. Step 5. Click Switch Now or Start Your Trial on the switching promotion page to begin registration with your new provider using your extended trial benefits. Step 6. Create your account with the new provider, ensuring you use a different email address from your old service if required by the switching promotion terms. Step 7. During registration, upload or submit proof of your existing subscription when prompted. Some providers manually verify switching bonuses, which may take a few days to process. Step 8. Once approved, activate your extended trial period and begin using the new service. Plan your cancellation with the old provider strategically to avoid service gaps or ensure overlap for smooth transition. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.